So what's the people looking at?
Brown head eye.
For your hair or my hair?
Your hair.
No, I'm not trying to look like Denari. Hell no.
You need this because you're a kid.
Says the one that's built 4'5". And this is what I mean, people. So look at one item for like 30 minutes. Watch this. Just 4'5", looking there. Hey, it's an African and Asian queen. My Nubian sister. Welcome to your egg, girl. What the fuck, man? I do look lit, yo. I can't cap. I didn't match my hoodie. Yeah, it's a good choice colour.
No, look, we're matching.
We had to get matching colours, but God. Okay, so here, jack chicken, rice and peas, callaloo and some plants.
I'm gonna copy you, but minus the plantain. And the
Say
green
again?
stuff, minus the plantain.
What?
No!
What?
What did I say?
Plantain?
No.
Why your English language like this for cook?
Delete the video.
Hell no. So this is where we're gonna eat. Yes. Oh, this ain't no sit down place. Oh, damn. But it's nice though. So wait, you
Should go to the shisha place.
So you want my Jamaican jerk chicken?
No.
Damn. I ain't gonna cap. Let me tell you something, man. So that grill shop, it does look banging, the food look good, the menu look nice, but there's nowhere to sit down, right? So next time I come back, I'll try it. Still, yeah, it's ready now. So we're gonna go to McKinley, how you pronounce it? McKindians. Yeah, like the title, that's the food we're gonna eat. But basically, it looked lit from outside, so we'll get something new and we'll try it. See how it is. All this money, man.
Look, Portugal, remember he's on the road there? Look, there's money. Who's that? Who's that, Boris?
Hey, Boris is close. Disney money, Disney dollar. Yeah, we know about it. What, in the USA?
Look, Mauritius.
Now see, if I got any ops here, and it's hung up here, scout you, and go outside, beach ups. Let me tell y'all people, yeah. Masala fish and chips is meat. Got samosas for 120. This peri burger and chicken meal for moi.
That means you know. It's supposed to say for her.
Yo ass, how about that? Yeah, look good.
Why is the sauce pink? Is this pink?
That look good. Try something different. I ain't never had fish and chips for a very, very, very long. Actually, I've never actually ordered fish and chips for my life.
Can you hold it?
Damn, that is grilled to the max. Alright, people, I ain't gonna cap here. All this is banging. Everything is banging. I'm telling you, yeah. I recommend this spot. What's it called again? McKindians. This is underrated hidden gem.
Yeah, I guess it is.
Gibraltar, Lisbon, Singapore, Indonesia.
Australia, what else? But I'll be scared because they have massive spiders.
The spot right here, man. This is the spot right here. God damn, man. All kind of noodles here, man. Shit. This is heaven for me. I think I found it, bro. Ethan, if you're watching this, I think I found it, bro. I just don't know which one it is, dog. Damn. If you know what I'm talking about, bro. There you go, people. That's where we found it. Rice cake noodles, okay? Damn.
So look at these cookies over here.
Salted Galaxy caramel cookie. That's a big ass cookie. Put your hand to it.
Like this.
Shit. Holy New York City. That's not a cookie, bro. That's a cake ass cookie right there. This has been your boy KJB. Hope you had a great time traveling with me through Lesta. Apart from that, this is boy KJB, over and out.